Hello all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable apps or games through the Windows Firewall. Sometimes, when you install an app or maybe a games or something, it is blocked by the Windows Firewall so that it cannot communicate with the external servers and all. So to fix it, I'll show you this method. So first you have to go to Control Panel. So once you open the Control Panel, here you can see Windows Defender Firewall. Open the Defender Firewall here and just select Allow Apps or Features to Firewall. So in this video, I'm going to unblock Bootshell box. So to do this, I'm going to point the exe file for the Bootshell box. So just go to Program Files, finding the Oracle, and just have to select the exe of the app which I want to allow. So I selected the VirtualBox exe here. If you want more apps, you can just select that here. So once you have added it, so you can see the VirtualBox match is now added. You can now select public on private network. So if you want private network, you can enable private network. So I just enable both public and private network. So this app is now allowed to communicate through the Windows firewall. So you will be able to successfully, this app will be able to successfully communicate with the external server now. So once it's done, just press save and now it's done. So now the app can completely communicate. For instance, like if you're creating a virtual machine and sometimes the communications may not work and some port may not be open. So if it is due to this Windows firewall, then simply using this method, you can enable this. So you can try this method if you have any such issues with your stream application or any other Windows application. So thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe so I can create more contents like this. And thank you and have a good day.